What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to create a high converting landing page in the matter of minutes. Most people ask me, why should I create a landing page over just a website? And the difference between a website is you have a bunch of just content. A landing page, it's specifically designed for people to land on the page and to do one action. And that one action is usually opt into an email list, opt in to get a free guide, whatever it is. Whatever your free gift is, doesn't matter. But that's the whole purpose of a landing page. They land on a site and either they get the free guide, they get the gift, they subscribe, they buy a product, okay, they get taken over to the sales page, whatever it is. That's the purpose of landing page. So I want to show, and I'm going to show you the exact page I'm talking about, but I have a landing page that converts at 45%. Okay, it's like 44 point something, but it's 45%. So what that means is for every 100 visitors that land on this page, I get 45 of those people to subscribe into my email list. And that helps me sell more products, become a super affiliate, make more money, sell more courses, offer services, just post stuff and send people to YouTube videos and to different websites, and it just works great. Okay, I highly recommend it. So this is the page I'm talking about. This right here, you can see it, and I'm not going to explain everything here, but it's on how to make $100 to $200 per day online. And inside, I'm talking about different products and software and services that you can use to get to $200 per day very quickly. Okay, and it converts very well. Now, this one right here is done with a software called Builderall. And Builderall is a great software and only costs $29.90 per month. Now, I have this one right here because inside this, I'm promoting Builderall, which is kind of what I'm going to talk about today. Okay, if you want to check out Builderall, you don't have to pay the $30 a month. I have a free 7-day trial, link down below. Go check it out. The reason I like Builderall is because you get unlimited visitors, unlimited pages and websites, and unlimited funnels. But in addition to that, you also get, which I absolutely love, you get up to 10,000 emails and leads that you can keep sending emails to inside an autoresponder tool. And it's something they call Mailing Boss Autoresponder, and it's awesome. Okay, this is Builderall. This is the price for Builderall. This page right here, and I'm going to show you how to build something exactly like this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it in a minute. Okay, this page is created with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels cost me $297 a month. I continue to pay for that because I promote ClickFunnels and I actually use it. Okay, so this right here, and because it doesn't have all the information up front, you have to actually click the Get Access Now button, put your name, email address, give me access now. It converts about 22%. So about half of this one right here. However, I like that design, so I keep it. All right, so if you want to check it out, again, there's a link down in the description box below. It's $7, or it's 7-day free trial. After that, it's $29.90 per month, but I highly recommend it. It is a great software, and let me show you how to use it. So this right here is my back-end, back office dashboard, whatever you want to call it. You can see right here, you builders, you got Mailing Boss Autoresponder, designs, videos, apps, add-ons, webinars, tutorials, and then you got the business builder down here. Now, I'm not getting any of that in today's video. I just want to show you how to create something very similar to this one. Okay? All I'm going to do is click on Internet Marketing, click on Opt-in. And these are some of the pre-built templates that you can use. You can come here and add logos, change the wording. Obviously, you need to change a lot of stuff, but you make it yours. Now, I'm going to come down here. I'm just going to pick up this exact same one right here. It is this one right here. And all you do is click on Edit. Okay? And when you edit, you can edit the background color. You can change these links down here. There's going to be some other text I'm going to get rid of. You can change the color of the text. You can change the boxes. There's so much stuff. Okay, so here it is right here. Let's say I want to come here and I am going to just make a few little changes. Let's say you're in real estate. So I'm going to get started, or buy your new house today. Okay, just like that. Buy a new house today. Then right here, all I'm going to do is, let's say, see how easy it is to qualify. Okay, just like that. Then let's say I take this one right here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to make it like 24. Just like that. Get your credit fixed quick. See why income matters most, and learn the keys to a great buy. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right there. Now you can't see it, don't worry. Okay, go like that, put that in the center. Okay, now I can take this, I can actually go like that and put it into, okay, the button or the point, quick, something like that. Now I can do, let me just, here, we'll just go like that. Okay, 2 stars. Okay, and I'd obviously spend a little more time doing this, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to make it a little bit quick. 236, that's 234. Just like that. Bold, underline, like that. Okay, and I'm not going to really center it up, but you get the point. Okay, just like that. And create something simple. And then all you got to do to integrate it into your autoresponder, all you got to do, right click, click configure, click on mailing boss. And it's going to pull up the different lists that I have. Now I don't have a lot. YouTube test list right there. Okay, and buy your new home today. See how easy it is to qualify. Get your credit fixed quick. See why income matters most. Learn the keys to a great buy. And then you click on save. It's that simple. Now, here's what I want you to understand. I think most people don't completely understand about a landing. One of the things I've noticed a lot lately is people that create landing pages are trying to craft them and create them into some type of sales page to sell the visitor on the idea that they need the free guide or they need whatever it is. And that's not necessarily the case. All you have to do is give them some key points, some things that they can actually look at and decide for themselves. Do I need this or do I not? Now, if you are getting traffic from YouTube videos, which I do a lot of, or you do with websites or whatever, okay, with Facebook and Instagram, you obviously pre-qualified that person and they're clicking on that link for a reason. If you're talking about buying a new house and you're in real estate, obviously this is going to work, okay, because they're interested in real estate. They're clicking on the link because you let them know, hey, if you're looking to buy a new house and you're not sure if you qualify yet, or how much you can qualify for, or how to fix your credit, make sure you click this link, download the free guide, and I will help you out. Because you give them the free guide and now you have their email address. You can send them emails every single day, 2 times a day, 5 times a day. I wouldn't recommend it, but you could. Okay, so it gives you options. So if you've never created a landing page before, don't worry, okay? Because Builderall has so many tools, so many options, so many people out there helping you create these different landing pages that it's not impossible. You just go onto the site, all right? So again, here are the prices, okay? Now there's web presence. I wouldn't recommend that one. I'd recommend digital marketing. Okay, it'll just be better for you. But you come here. Let's say you're not in internet marketing. Okay, you're in real estate. Okay, or let's say restaurants and food. Okay, and you have a bar. Let's click on that one. Okay, let's see what kind of templates they have. Okay, and so here are the templates. You got, here's your bar. Okay, cool. Or if you really like internet marketing, there's local sales funnels. If you're an accountant, okay, what can you do? If you're in real estate, okay, real estate, I'm not sure, they missed the letter. Anyway, but it's the exact same thing. All you gotta do is come over here, find your template, and then start creating something. With every single template that you create, let's say like this one right here, okay, let's say I'm gonna click on that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and add an actual button so they can opt into my email list, right? because that's the whole point of this. We want them to opt into the email list. Now you have their email. Now you can send them promotional emails, every so often, and try to get them in as a customer, as a client, as a whatever it is, as a viewer on YouTube or a follower on Instagram. It doesn't matter. All right. So here it is. All we got to do, let's say about the project, all this stuff, cool. Let's say we want them to actually opt into something. Email form right here. Okay. What color is that? I don't know. We'll use this one right here. Okay. So there it is. We're gonna move some stuff around just like this. We'll delete this one. Take this thing, move it up like that. Move the little family. Perfect. Okay. And something like that. Okay. And then obviously we put what it is. Okay. Right here. Button. Download free guide. Okay. They don't know what the free guide is, but they might download it. Something as simple as that. And then you can do the exact same thing. Go to configure, mailing boss, and you're good to go. All right. It's that simple. So if there's any questions that you have on Builderall and creating a landing page, let me know down in the comment section. The one thing that I can tell you, guaranteed, which is pure facts, is that when I started creating more landing pages as opposed to additional websites, my business and my income grew. And I believe that is because I spent the time to create something and craft a single page, a landing page, that I can get somebody to land on that page and do that one task that I'm trying to get them to do. Whether it's opt into an email list, whether it's sending them to a sales page, and I'm trying to sell them on a course or on a service or promote a product, whatever it is. The landing page, I actually spent more time creating those as opposed to the websites because I was creating and trying to craft this perfect page. And it happens, and it's easy once you have the tools, once you have the templates, once you have the software that can do it for you. So that's why I highly recommend Builderall. Now, there's other tools out there. Builderall, in my opinion, is the best bang for your buck. You pay $29.90 a month, and you get everything. You don't got to go and pay for a new email autoresponder. Okay, you don't have to pay for a landing page builder, a website hosting, software or platform. You don't got to pay for all that stuff. It's all there. All right. So if you want to go try it out, there's a link down in the description box below. It's a 7-day free trial. Go check it out. After that, it's $29.90 a month. But I highly recommend it if you are trying to build your business. Landing pages are a great thing to do. So if you have any questions on how to better optimize your landing page, how to get higher conversion rates, let me know down in the comment section below. Just let me know you need help, or send me an email. Don't post a link to your landing page because it will just be blocked, but send me an email over at homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com if you want me to look at your landing page, and I will help you out and show you how to create a better optimized landing page so you can make more money. So if you like this video and want more videos on creating a better website, creating a better landing page, and making more money online, hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.